There's nothing more stressful than having a billion things to do during the day without having even just a second to yourself. The hustle and bustle of everyday life can get to be very overwhelming. There are so many demands placed upon us that it can feel like there is nowhere to turn when we feel like we just need a little bit of breathing room and a chance to relax. Fortunately, there is a solution. No matter how many demands you have placed upon you during the day, meditation is an option that you can easily make the time for. Even just setting aside 5 minutes for yourself can make the difference between a frazzled, miserable mess at dinner time and a balanced, calm person who is ready to take the next step, no matter where it leads. Meditation has become a very popular subject, and for good reason. But how can you put it to work for yourself? Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will increase your level of emotional understanding and help you to healthily compartmentalize your thoughts and emotions in a way that is constructive. You will change the course of your thinking and reprogram yourself to be more mindful and focused on positive changes rather than negative. You will gain the insight you need to work through your weaknesses and begin to build them into strengths. You will see a clear path forward rather than being swamped by the negative interference along the way. You will learn from mistakes and see painful situations objectively so that you are able to move through them with productivity. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the Beginner's Guide to Meditation, Clearing Your Mind and Improving Your Life. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You'll become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. The history of meditation. The benefits of meditation. Mindfulness meditation and how it can work for you. The benefits of loving kindness meditation. Active meditation with Kundalini Yoga. The benefits of transcendental meditation. The practice of Zen meditation. Tips and tricks for meditation beginners. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually clear your mind and improve your life. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, then you need this. You want to learn about meditation and allow it to be a part of your life. You want to see the possibilities in every moment. You want to be capable of getting where you want to be. You want to overcome doubts and really find the benefits in your practice. You want to see a clear path forward in your life. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the Beginner's Guide to Meditation cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Beginner's Guide to Meditation, Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, the Beginner's Guide to Meditation, Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on clearing your mind and improving your life, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you clear your mind and improve your life. I'll see you on the inside.